Hi guys, my name is Anastasiia Hurtova. I'm your favorite local Chicago real estate agent. And today I'll tell you how to find your dream home when there's no inventory on the market. You guys probably know that we have very low supply of inventory in the market, and if you've been looking to buy a property, you probably found it hard to find something that you like, or the options that you really like were gone within a matter of a few hours. And not everybody is ready to do that. Not everyone is willing to jump and buy the property right after the first showing. Not everybody is willing to go above in terms of price and drop all contingencies to secure that deal. So let me tell you what you can do to find that perfect home for you without having to do all of those things. The strategy I'll talk about is utilizing a 203K loan. 203K is an FHA-backed loan program that allows you to buy a property and also finance a renovation of the property into one single mortgage. It is a great product for those who are looking to buy a property that needs some renovation, although the renovation does not need to be extensive. It can be just updating the kitchen to a more modern look and replacing the bathroom. It doesn't have to be like down to the studs. There are two types of 203K loan. One is called limited 203K and the other one is called standard 203K. Limited 203K is when the cost of the renovation is up to $35,000. So that can be updating the kitchen to a more modern look and updating the bathroom in a house. The standard one, however, does not have that set limit. It is only capped at the maximum loan amount that the FHA allows for one single unit or for a multi-unit property, because yes, you can buy a multi-unit property with this type of loan and you can renovate, update those units utilizing the money from the bank and then rent them out for market rate. In order to successfully go through the process, you need to be in touch with a very knowledgeable lender. Not every lender works with this type of product, so make sure that when you're getting pre-approved, you specifically ask the lender if they know how to work with 203K loan, or just let me know that this is the path you want to go on and I'll make sure to connect you with someone who knows what they're doing. So are you ready to take on a project and create the perfect home in Chicago for you? Let me know. I'll be happy to help.